We are live.
It's Raven, your GS.
Joe, one third of the cyber nerds.
We are live, guys. I'm Joe, one third of the cyber nerds.
And I'm Raven, your GS.
And we are back with another Sith Temple episode. In the words of Geek Sensei, shut your mouth! We're back. Wagwan, so I don't even know. Get me? What you said?
Pushed it, man. I can feel the energy in the temple, you know.
Alright, guys.
I love being here, man. This is everything in life.
Bruv, everything. Obviously, YouTube Space London, that's where we're at. Two things to tell you about real quick. One, if you're a Jedi, Sith, bounty hunter, or just affiliate with anything to do with the Star Wars universe, there's one thing you have to do right now. Press this subscribe button right here. Road to 1,000 Sith. Wait, run that thing back. Road to 100,000 Sith apprentices. That's where we're at. We're on the road to that. So press that thing.
I
now,
like that.
if you want to get deeper in the Force, if you want to tap deeper into the dark side of the Force, if you want to go from apprentice to Inquisitor.
Yeah, that's what I was about to say. Yeah,
Whoa. To Inquisitor, your next step is to join the Secret Society. There's two ways to do that. We've got the Secret Society, that's home base is YouTube. Hit the join button down there. Or, there's a button up here. Get me. Patreon.com/Asylumers. Help support the fam. Now,
what do we have in store today?
today, we've got a Secret Society requested reaction, fam. Now, do you know what, yeah? I was mad apprehensive when I saw this because I was like, rah, this is very different from what man usually does. This is, so from reading it, it's like a comedy Star Wars skit, something. I know. But then I was like, yeah, Raven's gonna hate this. I don't know how I feel about this already, but fam, Secret Society requested. Do you know what I'm saying? And there's too many times these man put us on stuff that is lit for me to be like, I'm gonna ice this. So
Listen, you're getting me triggered already, fam. Listen, yeah, first things first, yeah.
Star Wars
Last time
joke.
man was here and we had this whole conversation about the fam sending over stuff. I did warn you lot, this is a Sith thing, innit?
This is
a Sith thing. So if it's not strong within the Force, fam, allow it. And this is what we got in today.
Fam.
First things.
But see now, I was like, this will be the first thing. Do you know what I'm saying? Just in case.
Someone's about to get force
me.
choked,
But
sure.
also, the next thing is, bruv, man don't know what's going on this. Alright, so basically, this is called SEAGULLS, Stop It Now, a bad lip reading of The Empire Strikes Back. So, man doesn't know, man don't know what's going to happen. So, do you know what I'm saying? So there's that, innit? You get me? Yeah, man. He's all over the gaff right now.
It's about to be a madness.
Anyway, do you know what, yeah? I say we just dive into the thing.
I think so too, bro.
See what we got.
Wait, how long is the thing?
Nah, it's only a couple minutes. It's like 3 minutes long. Something like that.
3 minutes of endurance, yeah?
Bruv, this might be the hardest thing ever, fam. Or the deadest thing man's ever seen.
I can only think of what is it that we did? Han Solo?
The Han Solo thing. Did that come out?
I think so.
It must
I think
have
it come out. I think it came out, and I was just not on it, just not on the thing, bro. But yeah, man, run the thing in it.
Wait.
What?
Wait. Don't run the thing yet. Alright. So obviously we had the conversation about the whole like Sith Temple, not necessarily Sith stuff only, but strong with the Force stuff. Like, get me?
Strong with the dark side, yeah.
See, but then that negates like stuff like, I don't know. Like,
Luke.
No, I'm not talking about Luke. Ban Luke, fam. Allow Luke. Like, I'm not talking about Luke. I'm talking about just like other stuff, innit? Like the Mandalorian, innit? Like, that's not dark side stuff, innit? Get me?
What did the man do for a living from birth, fam?
That's war, fam. That's not dark side.
That's not light either, is it?
Bruv, man's not doing... Bruv, that's neither, to me, bruv. That's just nature, innit? That's normal people out
Them
here.
men are born to bad up things and everybody in their pathway, fam.
This guy's on the genocide thing, fam. I'm icy. I'm done with you already. Disclaimer: the Cybernuts do not promote genocide. You get me? But in Star Wars we do. Ban Alderaan. R.I.P. Yeah.
Wow.
Alright, run the thing.
That's crazy.
Run the thing.
Penny for your thoughts.
I hate Brenda, and a bad guy hit me in the shin, and I peed all in my pants.
Yo!
And they got the music.
Rockin' now, rollin'.
I'm done.
To the beach I'm strolling, but the seagulls poke at my head, not fun. I said, seagulls, stop it now.
Yo, these men are walking into thing, fam.
Everyone told me not to stroll on that beach. Said seagulls gonna come, put me in a coconut. And they did. And they going like,
Yo!
Why is your
But yeah, when these birds attack me, and I tried to run, I
Yo.
That is mad.
Yo, I'm crying, man. I'm crying.
Hit in the neck with a hacky sack. Where'd it come from? Run. I can be a backpack while you run.
my chest.
Just stop, put me down.
Great.
Show you some dance moves.
No, I don't want you to.
If I had your giant feet out there on the beach, could have outrun those birds.
You're a psycho wiener.
Let me grab my leader.
Yoda moving mad out here, fam. Oh.
Stop it, please.
Come on, man, quit that banging.
Hey, what's that stank?
Put a fish in our basket.
Oh, yeah. I forgot I did that.
You owe me an apology.
Just hold your breath and see when the time is right. Birds will back your face. I can be your backpack while you run. Swing from a hairy vine. I can be your backpack while you climb. Stand on one hand and lift rocks with your special gift. Run, jump, now breathe. That's good. Like that. Like that.
No.
Big log. Then I rolled the
That is
log
mad
over.
creepy, bro.
Underneath it was a tiny little stick. And I was like, that log had a child. Listen, boy, someday when you are older, you could get hit by a boulder while you're lying there screaming, "Come help me, please, the seagull, up your knees."
So humming.
Yo, fam.
Stop it now.
Yeah, whatever, you're sort of pitchy.
Didn't like it?
Listen, man, I'm not your friend.
Don't fall asleep.
That's bad.
Yo.
This was bad right there, but that last bit, fam, yo. His eyes just mad, fam. Like, yo, don't fall asleep, fam. That's crazy.
No, finish,
That's
bro.
crazy. That's crazy.
Do you know what? Yeah, the saving grace for this is that they're not mocking someone like Vader.
Thank
fam.
you. And it's Luke.
And it's Luke and Yoda, fam. Mock them, man. Mock the Jedi as much as you want, you know, fam.
Yeah.
Do you know what? Oh,
They did R2D2 wrong.
no, they didn't do it. They didn't do it. But Yoda, fam. How they gonna make Yoda some mad pedophile out here, fam? Stop. Why was he whispering in man's ear like that, fam? Man, a grown man, you know. Man, a 900 years old, whispering in a little boy's ear, fam.
Fam, that's what they do.
Nah, it's peak. It's peak. Oh,
So what, man's got seagulls in Dagobah now, yeah?
fam. Nah.
took the ultimate piss with this, bro.
Yeah, fam. I don't know who's worse, fam. The Secret Society, remember who requested this, or the people who actually made this video, fam?
No, the people, fam, the people. Because think about it. One, yeah, you had to like write the lyrics. Then, like between the lyrics, you had to put the humming bits, fam. The hum killed me, fam.
But that's how Yoda sounds, fam. Bro, I wouldn't be surprised if they actually took his clip from the movie and made that hum from that, bro. Because it sounds mad like him, fam. It's mad,
crazy.
bro. It's mad, but the pedophile thing's too far, man. Like, the Cybernerds do not promote pedophilia, whispering in young boys' ears, grooming of that nature, any of that stuff, man.
How can man say, don't fall asleep?
Nah. He said, we're not friends. Don't fall asleep. And then he whispered it again,
His
fam.
eyes, bro. His eyes that
Nah,
killed him, bro.
bro. It's dead.
Oh, I'm done.
It's
I'm
dead.
done with
Fam,
you,
do you know what? Are we doing wins and losses? We started a whole new Sith Temple wins and
I
losses.
guess, fam. Look,
Bro, you man get the win, fam. You get the
fam.
W.
No, that's it,
Shout
man.
you, fam. But don't request more of these.
Yeah, this
but
is too
don't.
much.
Like, you got the win. You finessed the
my
thing.
chest.
Let's just leave it here, innit?
Oh, my chest is pounding, fam.
Fam. Oh, my word.
Yeah, man. I guess that's a good way to start the day, then.
Yeah, I tell you, it's a good laugh, man.
Man. A good laugh, innit?
Alright, look, guys.
Oh, it's bad.
Firstly, appreciate the request. Guys, if you want to request, all you got to do, sign up to a tier on Patreon or YouTube membership and send your requests in to us. All the Star Wars requests come to this special place, what we call the Sith Temple. Other than that, I'm Joe, 1/3 of the Cyber Nerds.
And I'm Revenue GS.
And we'll see you on the next Sith Temple.